Practice it. 1.3, sum number 9. In triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now when you look at the question, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. This is given to us. And we need to prove CA square should be equal to CB into CD. Now, when you look at this proof part, this means nothing but ratio. If we get a correct ratio, we cross multiply it, we get the answer. Acha, which ratio we should be interested in? Let us write it as hint. CA upon CD should be equal to CB upon CA. If these two ratios are equal, then only we get the final answer. Now look at the first ratio, CA and CD. CA and CD, they actually belong to triangle DAC. The second ratio, CB and CA. CB and CA belongs to the second triangle, that is ABC. To get the final part, let us separate these two triangles ADC and ABC. And let us start with the proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DAC, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. This is given to us in the question. Next, angle C is congruent to angle C. Common angle, yes. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Now let us understand. To write the names as per one-to-one correspondence, let us look at angle A, which is given here. We know angle A is equal to angle D. So let us write D in the first place. Next, we know angle C is equal to angle C. That is common angle. So let us write C on the third place. D is done, C is done. But remaining angle is A. So that's it. This is how we name the triangle DAC. And this is similar by a test of similarity. Therefore, let us create the ratio. CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. This is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Let us cross multiply. What will be CA into CA? Yes, CA square is equal to CB into CD. That will be CB into CD. That's it. This is what we wanted to prove. Thank you.